The National Curriculum Framework for Foundation Stage 2022 clearly states that play is a right and children learn best through play. I'm standing at the Creative Studio, which has been creating educational learning material for children since 1987. So they bring to you a lot of experience and research. What we have here is the Creatives Play and Learn Kit for the initial stage of Balvatika. It can be used across different curriculums and is a much needed kit to help children develop the fundamental skills to read, write and do arithmetic. It includes a variety of versatile material designed to aid the overall development of children, and research shows that children learn best when they can actually touch, feel, manipulate and see the concepts that they are learning. A set of play and learn kit includes manipulatives for literacy, numeracy and environmental awareness, with the addition to flashcards, charts, very nice crowns, manipulative material, beads and so on. So we can seat children in groups of 3 or 4 to explore a particular concept and then exchange it. So a variety of material to explore, and as you start working with the kit and you need more material, it can always be added on, and the creative team is right here. You can talk to them and you can add on more material, but begin with this.